The brief for the house was to preserve what was here and add on a really well-functioning new addition for the family. With the floor, we used a PeterFell 155 concrete colouring system, and we use that just for consistency of the colour and to give it a little bit more depth as well. We chose this particular colour because I think it's quite natural looking, and it had some quite nice pale elements to it as well, so that tied in really well with the rest of our palette for the house. The outside concrete we've used PeterFell system as well, just with a different finish. The outside has a brushed finish with the inside a highly polished finish, and the results are absolutely stunning. Like, we think it's one of the best concrete floors we've done, and how it functions for the family as well. So we are very happy with it.